Okay, we're here in Subic, and I want to show you my shooting net, yung pinagawa ko. So, come over here. That's my brother right there, Leandro, 14 years old. Come here, Leandro. See? So he's gonna be the next Air Jordan ba?
No.
Let's see. So, sige, shoot ka dyan. Sige. So, meron kaming furniture shop sa, dito. So, meron kaming may welder, saka may mga materials. So, naisip ko, yung gas station kasi namin, self-service na. So, wala na akong mga gas attendants na makukuha para sa rebounding ko. So, nagpagawa ako ng metal na poste. Yeah. So that's like that's 15 feet high, and nagpagawa ko ng dalawa. Galing ng welder namin, gumawa siya ng stand dito, tapos poste, tapos bumili ako ng net. Yung unang bili ko kulang, so nagdagdag pa ako, mahal pala yung net dito eh. So yan, tapos kinabit ko siya, kumuha ko ng ladder, kinabit-kabit ko siya. Tapos itong mga cable na to, ito yung mga plastic na ginagamit nila para sa furniture. Okay. So, inano ko lang siya, tinali-tali ko yung mga net. Tapos ayun na. So, we have our own shooting net para ma-rebound. It's about 9:30 in the morning, so you do about 300 to 500 of these in the morning. It's better than jogging, better than a morning jog. So, stick ba? And if you look here, look how good, how nice Subic is. All the green, surrounded by the forest here. See? May mga bats dyan sa gabi, no? Sa hapon. Yan. Tapos yan yung mga bahay na, oh. Yan. Yan. Ito mga tahimik dito. Walang kotse. Walang kotseng pupunta dito. Yan. Dyan kami nakatira sa mga bahay na yan. So, lalakarin lang namin. Tapos dito na. Walang gumagamit ng court na to eh, kaya hindi naman private court ito. So pero walang gumagamit, kaya nilagyan ko na lang ng net. And that's the life here in Subic. It's about 15 to 18 feet. Kasi itong line na ito, ano na to eh, NBA 3-pointer na to eh, mga 23 feet itong line na to. So malayo na yan. Nick. So when my dad saw this, he said, "It's crazy what you did." It's crazy. Well, if if I made something like this for him for golf, he would have said, Alan, you're a genius. But since it's basketball and he doesn't like basketball, so it's crazy. But for us basketball fanatics, this is genius. It's pretty effing genius. Huh? I think he finds it crazy because I made him pay for it. We only had enough metal pole for one, so I had to buy another one, about 20 feet worth, and I made Subic Gas pay for it. And so I said I was gonna pay it back, but I don't have money, so I don't think that's gonna happen. But it's pretty awesome, and I still need more net. Put some net here, and I don't know if I can buy. It's 100 pesos per yard, and so far I've bought 16 yards already, so that's 1,600, and I still need more net, so I have to find a way to find that money. But yeah, it's pretty awesome.